YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy ConcisetheBarber. As y'all see, I have an unboxing by JRL. Shout out to them for sending me this product. I have some huge announcements when it's come to this video.
CTB, you know who it is.
All right, y'all, so we're gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna start off with the big boy and then we're gonna get into this one. Truly excited. I can't wait to share with y'all some of the exciting things that's about to come up. There is something with JRL that I will be doing and you guys will see that soon. It might be before this video or after the video. I'll let you guys know about it, but I think that would be kind of dope. But we're gonna talk about something crazy about these products that they sent me. So let's open this bad boy up. And I've been practicing my unboxing. I used to struggle with this type of stuff, so I took a class. It was all about angles and pressure, so I learned how to unbox this well. Look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, here we go. Oh. Sorry, y'all. Oh, wow, look at this. Look at this. JRL briefcase. Let's open this thing up, man. This is dope. I love the fact that it has the whole lock-in code right there. So let's open this up. Oh, wow. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Shout out to JRL, man. Sending a brother a briefcase, man. Definitely wasn't expecting this. And it's a good size. I like this size. Easily a good size. They might let you get away with bringing this on a plane. I could be wrong, but yeah, it's a good bag, man. Shout out to JRL for sending me this suitcase, bro. This is dope. I might have to take this thing somewhere. People gonna be asking, yo, you a part of JRL? But nah, shout out to JRL. This is dope. And it comes with this piece. Unique. And to be honest, yo, they got some good wheels on this, man. If you travel enough, you understand that the wheels are important. So they got that rubber piece. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But shout out to them. You got the briefcase. So let's open up this bad boy. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This thing is a little heavy, so it has to be crazy. So let's just open it up. I'm so glad I took that class, man. Unboxing has been more easier. Oh, what is this? So what is this? What is this? Oh, we got an apron. JRL apron, that's fire. Shout out to them. Okay, I might have to use that. I actually like using aprons. I don't care what nobody says. We got some JRL clips. You know what I mean? What's this? The same thing? Yeah, it's an apron. Apron as well. I'll keep this one closed. All right, what else we got up in here? Oh, they went stupid. Hold on, what is this? We got a double-sided brush. Yeah, we got 2 double-sided brushes. That's fire. What else we got? Ooh, let's go. The JRL Onyx clippers. Now, I do have these, but you know what I mean? Can't have that many of them, but shout out to JRL. Another JRL Onyx clipper. What else we got in here, man? This is crazy. We got a JRL mat. That's fire. Let me open this bad boy up. Oh, that's clean. Shout out to JRL, man. We got 1, 2, 6 spots. And I do believe, yep, there is another one. So I'll keep this package. And also, I'm definitely gonna be using this tomorrow. What is this? Stop it.
Stop it.
A hair dryer kit. Oh, look at this bag. This bag is tough. Somebody got the piece inside where you strap it. But this is a dope, honestly, I know it's for the hair dryer, but this is a dope bag to just carry around if you need some other stuff. Let's see what's in it though. As y'all see, there go the strap. Looks like a nice size too. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. That's dope. They got the brush, 2 nozzles, and the blow dryer. And honestly, man, I mean, I think my blow dryer is okay, but I'll rock this bad boy. And I like this. And I do like the ones, the sprays that have that metal ball bearing. And then you got 2 of these nozzles. And you got good grip on them too. So it don't seem like they'll come off that, that much. But I like the fact that it has this cover and it got a belt to it. That's dope. Shout out to JRL, man. I ain't getting care package like this ever. So shout out to JRL for showing love to Concise, man. Yeah, that's dope. And they got another one. That's fire. All right, so I think that's that. So I'm gonna tell y'all something, right? This is how we're gonna do this. Shout out to JRL. They definitely be showing a brother some love. They gave a brother a nice care package. So I have to say this though. Y'all know me. I don't like to keep all this stuff for myself. So we're gonna be doing a giveaway. And everything you've seen in this video so far is not the only things that's gonna be in the giveaway. I'm gonna explain it just a little bit. So this is gonna be in the giveaway. That's most definitely gonna be in the giveaway. This is gonna be in the giveaway. We're not done yet. I don't want to do it, but that's gonna be the giveaway. JRL mat giveaway. One of these brushes giveaway. These clips. Here's the interesting thing about it. I did get another package. They sent kind of a double, but me and them, we agreed that I'm going to send majority of all the stuff that I have already as giveaways. So this is going to be in the giveaway. Apron giveaway. We're not done yet. This was in the other unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys some of the photos, but this manual clipper, this is just something to have. Honestly, if I was y'all, I would just keep this. Just keep it. I wouldn't do much with this, but this is gonna be in the giveaway. And do I have the box here? I don't. And there's gonna be two more things, which is going to be the new JRL Onyx shaver and also a JRL trimmer. They are going to be in the giveaway as well. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a big grand giveaway, but there's gonna be some type of giveaway. And I'll probably collab with JRL with it. So make sure that you guys are staying in tune with that. But shout out to JRL for sending me all this stuff, man, to the point that I'm just gonna give it back out, man, because, you know, I have been blessed and I love to be a blessing back to other people. So shout out to them, man. I have some crazy stuff about to come up, and this is dope. To have something like this is fire. And yeah, this is just one of many things that y'all are going to see. I will be doing some unboxings on the new JRL products that I have received already, but the shaver and the trimmer also will be in the giveaways as well. So shout out to them. Can't wait to really show y'all all of the information that I have and what I think about JRL products just in totality. So that's my concise unboxing. I hope y'all loved it, appreciate it. I will let you guys know exactly how to get into the giveaway. Make sure you're staying in tune with my content on YouTube, Instagram, all of my platforms, so you will see it there. So love y'all, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video.
CTB.
Matter of fact, how about I just keep this? Y'all don't want this, right? All right, y'all want that.
You know who it is.